Cliff should board the front coach train stops in zones 4 to 6. Cycle spaces in zone 6. Food facilities in zones 4 and 5. This train may be disrupted.
Right, departing out here, 158951, which is on the delayed 1602 service to Westbury. This service is from Gloucester and it's departing about 18 minutes late. So, hello viewers and welcome to the latest video from Btaker Videos, and today I am at Bath's Bar, which is on the Great Western Main Line. So today here at Bath's Bar we'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway only. South Western Railway also serves this station, like about five services each way per day. Or something like that anyway, Monday to Saturday. But unfortunately we won't be seeing any South Western Railway services in this video. And also Cross Country has an early morning service that departs Bath's Bar, something like 6:30 in the morning or something. But that's before I'm here, because that was the delayed 1602 we just saw depart. So Great Western Railway services are the only services we'll be seeing in this video. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Bath's Bar. Enjoy all. Passing now is Southern Freight. (66,079) and 66,093. Both the freight locos which are up the front of that freight service. They're passing through. Right, coming in now, it's a 1636 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour, formed of Unit 158958. 158958 heading for Portsmouth Harbour. Right, departing out now is a Unit 158958. Looking into a really bright sunshine. That is on the 1636 to Portsmouth Harbour, originating Cardiff Central. Coming in now is the other 1636 158956, which is on a service in the other direction. This one originated at Portsmouth Harbour and is heading towards Cardiff Central. From the units we can see down there, it's heading Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour. 158956 was the 158 that I travelled on between Newport and Southampton Central when I went down to Brockenhurst, Bournemouth and Poole last weekend. I had this unit on the southbound journey, the 0744 out of Newport, and on the journey back home on the 2010 service out of Southampton Central. Right, departing out now is 158956, which is on the 1636 to Cardiff Central. Calling now at Bristol Temple Meads, Filton Abbey Wood, Seven Tunnel Junction, Newport and Cardiff Central. Right, coming in now is the 1643 service to London Paddington, 800 305. Chippenham, Swindon, Bidcot Parkway, Reading and London Paddington, the stops for this service. Right, coming in now is the delayed 1627 service to Bristol Temple Meads, originating London Paddington. Delayed by about 20 minutes due to a fault with the signalling system, as has many other services today. 800 008 is the unit at the front. And the unit at the rear is, like the number seems to have gone from the front of the rear unit. The 800 008 is the unit at the front of this service. Right, departing 25 minutes late is the 1627 service to Bristol Temple Meads. 800 008, the unit at the front. And 800 007 at the rear. Off goes 800 007 on the rear, 800 008 at the front, heading one stop to Bristol Temple Meads. Right, coming in now is the 1707 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth, 15247. This is on the 1707 departure, and this originated at Great Malvern. Right, departing out now is 15247, and this is on the 1707 service to Weymouth. This service will now call at Freshford, Avencliff, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Warminster. No, not Warminster, sorry. Out to Westbury, it's Frome, Bruton, Castle Carey, Yeovil Pen Mill. Getminster, Thornford and Chetnall are by request. Then Maiden Newton, Dorchester West, I think Upway, and then Weymouth. Right, coming in now is the 1710 service to Gloucester, with the unit of 165131. Calling at Oldfield Park, Keynsham, Bristol Temple Meads, Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Parkway, Yate, Cam and Dursley and Gloucester. Right, departing out is 165131, which is on the 1710 service to Gloucester, departing 7 minutes late. Next stop, Oldfields Park. Right, coming in now is a 1713 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. The unit up the front is 800 007, so the unit at the rear 800 008. These units are coming back around. Right, departing out 800 007 and 800 008. They are on the delayed 1713 to London Paddington, departing around 11 minutes late. Next stop, Chippenham. Right, coming in now is a 1727 to Bristol Temple Meads, originating London Paddington. The units on this service today, 800 021 and 800 015. Bristol Temple Meads is the next and final stop. Right, departing now 800 021 and 800 015. They are departing 3 minutes late on the 1727 to Bristol Temple Meads, originating London Paddington. Scheduled 1727, actual 1730. Right, coming in now is a 1736 service towards Portsmouth Harbour, originating Cardiff Central, with the unit of 158961. Right, departing out now is a 1736 to Portsmouth Harbour. The unit is 158961. One 158961 on the service to Portsmouth Harbour. Right, coming in now is the other 1736 service. This one heading towards Cardiff Central with a slight delay. 158952. 158952, heading on a slightly delayed 1736 to Cardiff Central. Right, departing out now is 158952, which is on the 1736 service to Cardiff Central, departing 3 minutes late. Bristol Temple Meads, the next station stop for that service. Right, coming in now is the 1743 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, with the service that originated at Weston-super-Mare. 800-012 is the unit at the front of the service, and the unit at the rear, I'll get the number for that as it departs. 800-012 is at the front. Right, departing out is the 1743 service to London Paddington. 800-012 and 800-028 are the units on this service tonight. The 1743 departure for London Paddington, originating at Weston-super-Mare. Right, departing out now is the 1802 service to Paignton. The unit on this service is 802-109, so a class 802 unit coming around. Something slightly different in 802 rather than just an 800. 802-109. The stops for this service from now: Bristol Temple Meads, Weston-super-Mare, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Torquay and Paignton. This service originated at London Paddington. Right, coming in now is the 1807 service to Weymouth. 166-215 is the unit at the front. And 166-212 is the unit at the rear. Take the pair of 166 units 215 and 212 on the delayed 1807 to Weymouth, with the service originating at Gloucester. Right, departing 10 minutes late is the 1807 to Weymouth. 166-215 and an ECS 166-212. Well, 166-212 is joined so it can do an ECS move to Westbury. It attached to a Weymouth service, and then the units will detach from each other at Westbury, with 166-215 continuing to Weymouth. Right, coming in here is the 1813 service to London Paddington, originating Bristol Temple Meads. 800-015 is at the front of this service. I can't quite remember the other unit on this service, but it's from Bristol Temple Meads. Right, coming in now is the 1818 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern, with a service that originates at Weymouth. and the unit is 158766. So one of the two carriage Great Western 158s. Only one of two carriage units of the 158 variety operated by Great Western Railway, 763 being the other, or the other 158s that Great Western Railway operate, 798 and then 950 to 961 are all three carriage units. Only two that only have two carriages. Right, departing out 800 015 at the front of the 1813 to London Paddington. 800 021 at the rear. So as 800 015 and 800 021 depart, and as we await the departure of 158766, I'm going to end my video from Bath Spa here. If you have liked what you've seen here at Bath Spa, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below, because I'll get back to them as and when I can, and any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comments. I think Bath Spa has been a great station to film at today. All the usual sorts of stuff that come through here, bar maybe a South Western Railway unit, which unfortunately we didn't get to see in this video. But yeah, still some great clips that I filmed coming here through Bath Spa, which has been great. If you do want to check out more of my stuff and see my latest releases, when they are published, please do click the subscribe button plus the notification bell, so you get notified whenever I release my latest video. So please do check. So please do that if you are interested in the content that I publish. 158766 is now getting ready to depart, so we'll see it depart out, heading into a bright sunshine. They zoomed in there. As for upcoming trips, on the 10th of August, I will be down in Portsmouth with Trainspot East and all that, filming Portsmouth Harbour, Portsmouth and South Sea, Fratton and Fareham. And then I will be in London the following week on Saturday the 17th of August. Exactly what stations I'm going to film, I'm not entirely sure just yet, but I'll go and film some stations toward around the London area on the 17th of August the following week. So that's my plan for some upcoming videos. So please do check them out once they've been released. Coming in here is the 1827 service to Bristol Temple Meads only. I won't be filming these units depart, but I will film them coming in, seeing as they're already here. 800 009 is the unit at the front. And 800 019 is the unit at the rear. So as these arrive in, thank you guys for watching my video from Bath Spa. I will definitely see you at Portsmouth. Portsmouth Harbour would be the next video. So I'll see you all there. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching. Cheerio.